Your beautiful new website is live. So what happens next?
You've just launched your new website. It looks amazing, the content is perfect, and you're ready for new clients to pour in. But once the launch party is over, a critical question emerges. Now what?
Think of your website not as a digital brochure, but as your primary business asset, like a storefront or an office. And just like a physical location, it requires ongoing care to stay secure, functional, and valuable. This care really boils down to 3 key areas: reliable hosting, proactive security, and regular software updates. Getting these right is the difference between a thriving digital asset and an expensive, broken liability. First, hosting is the plot of land where your website lives online. Quality hosting ensures your site is fast and accessible, which is crucial for user experience and Google rankings. It's a foundational cost, like paying rent or property tax. Next is security, which is non-negotiable, especially for clinics and law firms handling sensitive information. This means having digital locks, firewalls, and monitoring to protect your business and your clients from constant online threats.
Finally, there are updates. The software that powers your site, like WordPress and its plugins, is constantly evolving to fix bugs and patch security holes. Ignoring these updates is like leaving your front door unlocked.
So how do you manage all this, and what does it cost? This is where a crucial distinction comes in. Are you renting your website, or do you truly own it? When you own your website, like a custom WordPress site, you have total control. You pay for hosting and a clear maintenance plan, but the asset is yours. You can modify it, expand it, or even move it to a different host anytime you want.
In the rental model, used by many all-in-one subscription builders, you're paying a monthly fee for access. It seems simple, but you're locked into their system, their pricing, and their limitations. If you stop paying, your website vanishes.
These rental platforms often have hidden costs, too, like higher transaction fees, expensive add-ons for essential features, and an inability to truly customize. You're building your business on someone else's property. True ownership means your website is a permanent asset that you can build upon for years. It scales with your practice or organization and becomes more valuable over time, without being held hostage by a subscription service. At Webmaster and more, our philosophy is simple. You own everything. We build powerful, custom websites that are 100% yours, then provide transparent maintenance plans to handle all the hosting, security, and updates for you. This gives you the peace of mind to focus on your business, knowing your digital asset is protected by senior-level expertise. If you're unsure about your current website's health or future costs, let's talk. Book a free website teardown today.